fix the sink.
Come on in, take your shoes off.
Yeah. Where's the sink? In the kitchen, right? Usually it's in the kitchen.
You sicken me already. What are you dying?
What? No, I'm fine. Hey, Siri, can you remind me to get medicine on the way home?
Error. Poor connection.
What seems to be a problem?
My dumbass brother shoved a whole rotisserie chicken down the disposal.
Yeah, okay. I just gotta Google some plans here real quick.
Idiot verified.
Oh, can I use your Wi-Fi?
You can connect to the McDonald's.
Serious?
Yeah, it's McDonald's. McDonald's, a restaurant. I gotta take this.
They do have Wi-Fi. I forgot about that. Yeah, I got it. No problem.
Shut the hell up, Dad. My best friend just died in a car accident. He was from Thailand. I'm gonna fucking kill you if you don't respect me enough to send me $400 today. Wire it by the end of the day or your ass is grass. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear about Grandma, but I need this money now. Alright, love you, Dad. Bye.
I can feel you staring at my butt from across the room.
How's it coming?
Pretty great. You had a reblasted gasket in your S pipe, but I just contraculated it. No problem. Tightened it up. Whipped it down. We're good here.
Great.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, it's just bird Zika. Yeah.
That's like a highly contagious disease.
Yeah, if you're a bird.
If you get me sick with your bird blood, I will literally bash your brains to bits.
I just gotta twerk one more pipe and I'll be out of your nice silky hair, okay? You wanna show me where your tank's at?
It's outside. Can you just put your freaking shoes on and meet me outside? This fucker better not have gotten me sick. God damn it! Fuck! God damn it! God damn it! God damn it! You know what you have to do. He's come into your lair, and you know what happens when people come into your lair.
I do something called Christian Scott.
Blair! You know what you have to do. Do it! Come on! Blair! Alright!
Don't lie to me, Bobby. I'll find out.
Alright. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I know this old boy. Woohoo! Good boy. Uh-huh. Hey, can you hand me that big old wrench in there? Yeah, just a big, funky wrench in there.
Jesus is a friend of mine.
Jesus is my friend.
Jesus is a friend of
I
mine.
have a friend in Jesus.
Jesus is a friend of mine.
Jesus is my friend.
Jesus is a friend of mine.
He taught me how to live my life as it should be.
Yeah, sorry. The last plumber just made it worse.
Here's your problem.
Woohoo, I'm finally free.